do 3 fours, but if I press the target button, the video ends. Well, let's get started. Let's play in Parkour Playground. We already played Noob Town because the challenge is not to die, and I finished the challenge. Okay. Whoops, sorry. Because I have Discord. Okay. I cannot press the target button, but if I accidentally press it, the video ends. Okay, let's go. There you go. There you go. Let's go. Got it. Look. Okay, I died. Lost the players. So for the next challenge is do thief work, but I cannot switch weapons. So this is, I cannot press the target button. Come on, dude. Get over here. Fight me. Yo, it's very lag. Uh-oh, uh-oh. There you go, there you go. Die. Die, oh, 4 kills, 4 kills, 4 kills. Gotcha, loser. Die, bitch. Oh. Bastard. Streak 4. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Yo, those guys. Yo, that guy sucked. Okay. Got it, got it. 10 kills. Go away. Okay. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, someone explode me. Fire in the hall. Surprise, motherfucker. Die. Ooh, double kill. Mayhem. Strike 7. Over 9, 364, Jeffrey. Okay. Ditch, snitch. One shot that guy. Because I used sniper 8 times. AKA snooper. Oh, darn it. Darn it, please. Die, ditch. Curiosity Buster, ditch. What's the player name? 17 kills in the board list. He's not dying. Oh, darn it. Fire in the hall. Yo, that guy sucked. Okay, I died. Sorry for the... Whoops, lag. It's very lag. Wait. Okay. No. Oh, got it. 20 kills in the board right now. Okay. Oh, he's up there. Whoopsies. Fire in the hall, bitch. Let me check. Is he there? Still there. Gotcha, loser. Okay. Okay. You cannot take the ammos. That's my ammo. Okay. Okay.